Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about the difference between math.random and another interesting function, which is Crypto.getRandomValues. I created this video because I came across this note here, which is saying that math.random does not provide cryptographically secure random numbers. So use instead Crypto.getRandomValues. Okay, so I studied this. It seems this get random values comes from the web crypto API, which I didn't know before, and so I may even create further videos and post it down in the description. So if you come from the future, maybe you will find it. Anyway, we probably all are familiar with math.random. Just for a very quick recap, math.random generates a number between 0 and 1, 0 included, 1 excluded. If you want to generate bigger numbers, you have to give it a maximum value, a minimum value, then you apply this simple function and you retrieve a number that is between the maximum value and the minimum value. Now the value is a floating point number, maybe you can convert it into integer using math.floor, or if you need just to create a number that is between 0 and max, is even simpler, you just use this. Some people might not be familiar with this new function, getRandomValues. I understood that you have to use typed arrays in order to work with it. Typed arrays is simply an array that is more strict into its rules. This is an unsigned integer 32 bytes array initialized with 50. That's it. I think it works with all the typed arrays that exists. Maybe not with floating points array. Maybe with floating points array it gives some problem. Just go and check out the documentation. Anyway, after I initialized this array of 5 elements, I have placed random values inside, and then I looped on it to console log all the different numbers. Anyway, so this is the way to make it work. The point is understand the difference of math.random and get random values. Of course, if we come here and have a look at the values, you will see that as we expected, we have these different numbers that change all the time. The point is that if a person have enough sample values from the math.random function, it can potentially, using some libraries from Python, for example, create a simple software that can predict the next values. It will be even pretty simple, because the math.random because since the math.random function is faster than getRandomValues, of course the entropy must be much lower. So the getRandomValues has a much higher entropy, and so it is secured. All this to recap, saying that one is not better than the other. Math.random probably for most normal use cases is better because it's faster, so it doesn't throttle down the speed of your application. getRandomValues is nice to create secure things, for example, or even for example, apart the obvious examples of IDs, tokens, blah blah blah. For example, if in games you might need to give some random values, or in education you need to create some quizzes, and the quizzes has to be randoms, things like this. Okay, anyway, thank you very much to have followed this video. I hope it was useful, and go and check out my other videos also regarding other topics. Thank you.